The whole crypto market and the global stock market, forex market is experiencing pump and dump incessantly for the past couple of days, and right now it is totally unpredictable where the market will move. But this is my prediction, and according to me, the market will dump towards the downside, and here's why. So let's get straight to the point. Firstly, the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, and also guys, do ignore my hairstyle right now. It is a pretty much mess, and I did not spend time on it at all, so kindly ignore it. Okay, let's get back to the analysis. So first of all, I already told you that I am pretty bullish on Bitcoin in my last long video, if you have seen, but now I am saying that the price can again dump towards the downside. So well, I'll be really honest. Right now the whole crypto market, forex and stock market is unpredictable because of Trump and its tariff game. Right now the whole trade war right now is going on. There is a lot of uncertainty, so it is very hard to predict the market, where it will go, whether it will go towards the upside or downside, because Trump and his insiders himself are manipulating the market to benefit out of it. So I mean, a lot of mess right now is going on in the whole market. So yeah, I mean, it is what it is, and if US stock market pumps, obviously crypto will also pump, and followed by commodity as well, and vice versa. And right now if I zoom in, you can clearly see. First of all, let me zoom out and let me show you this trend line. I hope you can see this downwards trend line, and the price of Bitcoin is following this trend line very well, I would say. So the price of Bitcoin is in a downtrend from earlier of February. In January, I would say, you can see high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So this was the new lower low, you can clearly see right over here. But one thing to be noticed is that the price has still not come at $73,000. I will say it again, the $72,000 to $73,000 level is a very important level for Bitcoin, and the price of Bitcoin has to come at this level, okay, to mass liquidate all the retailers, use them as exit liquidity, hunt their stop loss. And this is how the market works, that the market always moves from one liquidity zone to another liquidity zone, or in simple words I would say, the market moves from one support and resistance to another support and resistance, basically levels. And this white zone, I hope you can see, is a very important support zone for Bitcoin, from 71.3 to $73,000. This is a very important level, and I'm pretty sure the price of Bitcoin will come at this level, will touch this white zone properly. And I'll be honest, this is just a very, I would say, small zone. The main purple zone lies from here, $68,000 to $65,000. This is a very important support zone for Bitcoin, and maybe in the future we can see a huge dump towards the downside, coming all the way down till $68,000 as well. Also, I'm recording this video outside, so please ignore some background noises as well. And yeah, this is what I expect. Also, now on 9th of April we saw a huge pump towards the upside, which did a breakout of this trend line, right? But the next day we saw a fake out. Why? Because the price again came back below this trend line, or I would say inside this trend line. In the past, the price of Bitcoin has done a lot of breakout, okay, it has done a lot of breakout, as you can clearly see here also, here also, here also, and now here also. So many a times the price of Bitcoin has done a breakout, sometimes successful breakout also. But I hope you already know the market is already manipulated, and the price of Bitcoin still has to complete its target. So see, the price of Bitcoin did a breakout of this trend line towards the upside with a proper retest. Still we saw a dump in the price of Bitcoin, and this was a fake out, right? Same is here also, the price of Bitcoin did a breakout with a retest, but again the price dumped. So this means that sellers are still active in Bitcoin market, in the whole crypto market, and the price of Bitcoin will soon reach $73,000. This is what I expect. Also, one more thing, very easy. I already told you in the beginning of video, the lower low, lower high, lower low. This is the recent lower low that the price of Bitcoin has made. Right now it is making a lower high, as you can clearly see. So I expect the price of Bitcoin to dump this time, and if the price of Bitcoin dumps heavily this time, then we will for sure expect the price of Bitcoin coming to my important white support zone, minimum $73,000, and the price of Bitcoin can easily fall below $72,000 mark as well. Let's see what happens. If the price of Bitcoin comes near this level, then I will definitely take a trade, but right now I'm not taking any trade because this is just my analysis, and this is what I find on charts, and I always take my trade on levels. Right now there is no level to take a trade, and only horizontal levels and horizontal zone only I prefer to take a trade on. So let's see. If the price of Bitcoin comes near my white zone, then I will definitely take a trade, but for now it is just my analysis, and I am just waiting for the price of Bitcoin either pump or either dump, then only I'll take a trade. But on Ethereum I did take a trade. So I hope you remember I made a video that I'm going long on Ethereum. Why? Because the price of Ethereum came at my level at $1,500 approx, and if I zoom out you can clearly see Ethereum is also following same Bitcoin trend only. High, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and you can same again lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and this is the new lower low. Right over here a new lower low has been formed. So yeah, I mean Ethereum is also right now forming a new lower high, because you can clearly see this one candle pumped towards the upside. See, I'll be honest, as I shared my analysis that I am bearish on Bitcoin. This means that if Bitcoin dumps, then Ethereum will also dump along with every other crypto. So right now I already closed some of my positions somewhat over here on Ethereum, and just few quantity of my position is remaining open, and I'm just trailing my stop loss right now, and my stop loss is no more here. It is maybe $1,370 approx right over here. Exactly, I would say it is 1,370 only. So if the price of Ethereum comes all the way down till 1,370, I will be stopped out, but it's okay because majority of my positions I have already closed in profit somewhat over here, so it's okay. Let's see what happens right now. And same is with Bitcoin and same is with Ethereum. I'll just wait right now and yeah, just see what market has to offer. Also, it is a pretty much of a irony that I am personally long on Ethereum, and still I am making an analysis that the price of Bitcoin will dump in the next week, in the next couple of days. I mean, yeah, it is very unique, but it is what it is, because I have to do my technical analysis by not listening to my emotions, getting rid of my emotions and being logical. And this actually is what I expect, that the price of Bitcoin can dump towards the downside the next coming week. As I said earlier, and I will say it again, that no one knows where the market will go, and in these uncertain conditions it's very hard to predict that where the market can lead. And I am making a prediction that next week the market will dump, so let's see how it goes. I am personally long on Ethereum right now, but as you already know, I'm managing my trade. I've already closed majority of my position on Ethereum, and rest of it I'm just trailing a little bit. So even if that trade goes against me and hits my stop loss, it's okay, no issues. But let's see what happens. Right now I'm on Doge as well, Dogecoin, and you can clearly see the price of Dogecoin right now is facing a heavy resistance, purple resistance zone from 0.157 to $0.17 approx, and this is a very important resistance zone for the price of Dogecoin right now. And same as I said with Bitcoin, I will say with Doge as well. Doge is also in a downtrend. You can clearly see right over here, high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and this is a new recent lower low that Dogecoin made, and right now it is kind of forming a new lower high, plus it is at a resistance, so I expect the price of Dogecoin to dump from here and make a new lower low, and the price of Dogecoin can maybe go all the way down till $0.106 level as well. Let's see what happens. Again, I will say it all depends on the market, and let's see what uncertain conditions are being made next week or in the next couple of days. According to my personal analysis, I expect the price of Bitcoin and overall crypto to dump towards the downside because of my technical analysis, but let's see what happens. And I'm personally long on Ethereum, and still I'm making a video because I feel like sharing it so that you guys can learn from this analysis. Don't copy trade me at all, and I am managing my Ethereum long position as well, so even if it goes against me, it's okay, no issues, I'll be in profit only. And right now, let's see, I will only take a trade according to my levels. So if the price of Bitcoin or any other crypto comes at my level, then only I will take a trade. But right now I'm just sitting back and relaxing, and let's just wait and watch what the market has to offer. And yeah, this is pretty much it. That's why I'm also not taking any trade in commodity as well, not in silver, gold or crude oil, because you already know even a small news from United States or from Trump, according to dedicated to tariff, can result in nuking the crude oil's price or pumping the crude oil's price. That's why it is very risky for me right now to take any trade in crude oil or gold or silver. So it's better to just wait right now and watch what the market has to offer. But right now I'm not taking any trade personally, and I hope you learn from this analysis. And again, I'm saying don't copy trade me, in fact learn from my analysis. And this is it. If you want to trade Bitcoin or any other crypto, you can do that on Bybit. Link is in the description and in the pinned comments, or else you can just create an account on any exchange you want. Do not fall for any scams. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.